ready to wrangle those messy line items into a clean, readable text string. Let's dive straight into Zapier and build a Zap. Click on the Create Zap button. For the sake of the example, we will use a Google Sheets trigger, so search and select Google Sheets. Choose New Spreadsheet Row as your trigger. This means every time a new row is added to your Google Sheet, this Zap will run. Connect your Google Sheets account, then select the specific spreadsheet and worksheet you want to monitor. Now comes the magic. For your action, search for Formatter by Zapier and select it. Under Choose Action Event, select Utilities and click Continue. In the Transform drop-down menu, choose Line Item to Text. This is the tool that will take those line items and turn them into a single text string. In the Values field, select the line item fields from your Google Sheet that you want to include in your text string. For example, maybe you have a product name and quantity column. Next, in the Separator field, enter the character or characters you want to use to separate each line item. A comma and a space, or a simple pipe symbol, are common choices. You can also choose whether or not to include line item numbers. Check the box if you need them, otherwise, leave it unchecked. Click Continue, then click Test Action. This will show you a preview of what your text string will look like. If it looks good, you're all set. You can now connect your formatter step to another app to use your newly formatted text string. Don't forget to turn on your Zap.